Hi, friends! Let's explore and count today. 1 to 5. Out in nature we'll play.
One beautiful flower, tall and bright, standing alone in the warm sunlight.
2. 2 butterflies fluttering by, colorful wings against the sky. Wow! 3. 3 little birds up in the tree, singing a song so happy and free. 4. 4 little leaves drifting down slow, gently falling with nowhere to go. 5 little rocks in a row by the stream, smooth and round, a counting dream. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 flower, 2 butterflies, 3 birds so sweet, 4 leaves, 5 rocks, counting's a treat. Thanks for counting in nature with me today. There's so much to discover outside. Bye-bye, friends! If you liked this video, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more fun videos with Splash in Bloop Town.